And let's go across to Eviction for an update on that case we were hearing this morning that was being heard in the Supreme Court, where the Associated Journals Limited, the publisher of the Congress mouthpiece, the National Herald, had moved the Supreme Court against a Delhi High Court order dismissing its plea to restrain the centre from taking steps to vacate that Herald House in the national capital. Vaidya, what transpired? Has the move to go to the Supreme Court worked in their favour? Vaidya, what transpired in court? All right, so this is of course a case that was being heard in the Supreme Court, and we know that the court has stayed this Delhi High Court order on the Herald House conviction. So the appeal filed in the Supreme Court, in that appeal that was filed in the Supreme Court, AJL had alleged that the BJP and its coalition at the centre harbour a pathological animus to the ideas of the first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Vaidya now joins us. Vaidya, it seems like that appeal has been met positively by the Supreme Court.
Paper, because now the Supreme Court today stayed the eviction proceedings, so they can continue at the Herald House in Delhi. But the centre opposed it, saying that the complete corporate entities are involved. The Supreme Court will have to remove the veil of the corporate entities, where 4 individuals where the shares have been transferred to the Young India. But Supreme Court said it will have to take time to examine the whole issue, and Chief Justice has also commented it's just another case for us, and said the main question to be involved and to be decided is whether the transfer of shares in fact amounts to transfer of the lease. So anyway, court said that we are staying the proceeding for the time being, and notice has been sent to the centre. So now, for the presently there is no eviction proceedings; all have been stayed. So Supreme Court virtually staying the High Court order, which has ordered the eviction proceedings. Now the court will go into the whole issue and examine it, but not exactly now. It may take some time.
All right, Vaidya, we'll come back to you the moment that happens, the moment there's an update on this case.